to this mindfulness meditation for gratitude. Today, we'll practice appreciating the little things. When we notice and appreciate the little things, our energy shifts in a positive way. Find a comfortable position, seated or lying down. Take your time to make any adjustments that you need to settle into stillness. Take time to find a blanket for warmth if you need one, or cushions and pillows for comfort. Your body to become completely still, soaking up the feeling of comfort that you've created. Close your eyes if you like and take a deep breath in and exhale fully through the mouth. Yourself arrive fully here in this moment. Scan your environment with your awareness. Notice the sounds around you. Notice the temperature of the air on your skin. Feel the weight of your body on the chair, floor, or bed. Everything is here to support you. Yourself, what can I appreciate about this very moment? Bring your attention to your breath, its rhythm, its softness, its constancy. Each breath a quiet reminder that life is moving through you. Each breath is a giver of life. Each breath is a miracle. Take a moment to appreciate this wonder of nature. Allow yourself to think of another small thing that you're grateful for. Something that's often considered simple or ordinary. A smile, the sound of a bird, sunlight on your skin, time to read a good book. Whatever comes to your mind in this moment. Allow yourself to feel the warm glow that this small thing brings to you. Allow your gratitude to flow and spread through your chest. When your mind wanders, gently return to the breath and to appreciation. I notice, I appreciate, I receive. As you prepare to return to your day, know that you can take this practice with you throughout your day, noticing and appreciating the little things, and just see how that affects how your day unfolds. Take a final deep breath in and out. Whisper a quiet thank you to this moment, to yourself, and to life. And when you feel ready, gently open your eyes.